No money on earth can buy the love and affection that has been given to me by a grateful nation. People go out of their way to show the love and respect for me is very gratifying. I have to ask Allah's forgiveness and not get angry, because they come to me out of love, and it's not fitting that I should turn to them in hatred. Some people are okay with doing nothing all day after they retire, but then some people, if they had nothing to do, would go mad and start banging their heads against a wall. Hatred, intolerance, poor hygienic conditions, and violence all have roots in illiteracy, so we're trying to do something to help the poor and the needy. I am proud of my work for my country. That's why PM Bhutto gave me the responsibility of the nuclear program, and we acquired nuclear capability in a span of mere 6 years, which was a great milestone. I am an innocent man, but I don't want to indulge in any controversy. Nation should be rest assured Pakistan is a safe atomic power. No one can cast an evil eye on it. We were able and we had a plan to launch nuclear test in 1984, but then President General Zia had opposed the move. When India conducted nuclear tests in 1974, I wrote a letter to then Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto from Holland and offered my services for Pakistani nuclear program. I had no political background. That's why PM Bhutto gave me the responsibility of the nuclear program, and we acquired nuclear capability in a span of mere 6 years, which was a great milestone.